Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. Guys, as you're tuning in, hit that thumbs up for a big green day. Let's get up there to 100 likes on this video. And of course, if you are a new viewer, consider subscribing. Crazy day, man. Crazy day. CXAI completely mooning. Man. And, shout out to Marcelo and Red to Green, man, because those two guys motivated me, to push a little bit today because, when it was all said and done around 11 a.m., I was up $280, I believe, on this stock. And from the open, I never gave it a chance. I'll be very honest. I thought it was choppy. I thought it didn't make sense to look at. And I thought gfai would have been the stock of the day. So we open, right? And, for more context, we can zoom out a little bit more, but we open up and this thing, it's up, down, up, down, up, down. And I'm like, this is not worth it. Big move, right down, move down, move down. And so I'm like, you know what? I'm going to watch something else. And I didn't give it a fair, shot. Didn't really give it my full undivided attention to sit down, pay attention to the candlesticks, watch at the level 2, become one with the price action. Be sure, right? If you are interested in joining my day trading course here at Merciless Markets, right? Merciless Markets, for those of you who don't know, is a sister company to Relentless Trading, all right? Be sure to use code NUTS. The day was so crazy. It was such an insane day. Marcelo up 2,500. I'm up 1,800. Red to Green up 2,100, I think. I'm pretty sure Rolex had a good day. I mean, so many people. LMK, Cactus. I mean, too many names, really. Crispy, Save, 5K days. Guys, if you want to join the course, use code NUTS, 40% off. This will be a 1-day coupon. It'll expire tomorrow, so be sure to get acquainted and get involved if you're looking to start your day trading journey. Between 11 and let's say about 12:30, Relentless Trader was gone, and so I missed this entirety of this push here, right? I missed the entirety of this second leg that started, which could have been even more profits. Most of the guys in the Discord who were already up, 1K, 2K, 3K, made the bulk of their, opportunity, their gains in this area, the first push, right there. So look at the second push and how much more opportunity it gave. And then the third push, and then the fourth push right here, which was just straight up essentially. So we had 4 strong incline areas, and I essentially dominated on the very last one. If you're here all day, and this is why the patience, the diligence, the consistency, for those of you who will sit here and wait, these are the days you're seeing those massive gains. Because I'm thinking to myself now, let's say gfai does fail like it did, and I do come and give my undivided attention, and I do get aggressive. Could I have done 2K, 4K, 6K, 8K? I don't see why not. And I did this, I made this 1,600 with 500 and 1,100 share blocks. So I did not get aggressive. I didn't even get aggressive. And I made about, $1.80, $2 a share between the. So it really was an impressive move in terms of our patterns, edges, and setups. The usual, it's grinding higher. I'm getting in, getting out, quick pullbacks like this, buying the low, getting in, holding, riding the wave. And, this right here was a big moment. And I sometimes need to pay more attention, man, because this trend line at 560 is there since pre-market. And when this starts to pull back here, because it was so extended, part of my thought process was that this might be failing. But as it starts to linger, right? And at this point, I'm in Discord, I'm texting, I'm not really paying attention down here. I'm not paying attention to any of this. Like, from here to here, I'm not paying attention. If I am, I feel like I can capture this, because even if it's with small size, I can jump in, risk this 15 cents between the lows and support, and see what it does if it's going to base out like this. But if you're not paying attention in this area, you're going to miss that trade, and that's exactly what happened. So this was a beautiful trade that could have set you up to be holding into the highs. So we had highs of 633. It pulls back to a low of 572. Let's say you're in 575, risk of 560, 15 cents of risk. Even if you add another 5 cents of slippage, 20 cents of risk for potentially, what is that? 30 plus 30, 60 cents of reward, right? Or 50 cents, you can say, of reward. And then some if we get the new high of day, which did happen here to 676 before a bit of a sideways consolidation. All right. So, that's how it went. Again, green candles like this being really good. Beautiful pullback, bull flag. You guys know the patterns and edges I trade all the time. And look at this extension here. It pulls back. I was up over 2K. In this area, I gave back a little bit, thinking maybe, it might have trapped because of these bottoming wicks. But these dips were great. But I wasn't willing to buy them aggressively because I knew this was imminent. And I didn't want to get caught buying too low. So on the bounces, I tried to get in, but then it'd be a little too high already. So a little choppy there for me. But CXAI, you guys, I said it a few days ago. The market is hot right now. It does this for what's been happening in these last 2 weeks. In my humble opinion, there is no difference from these last 2 weeks versus those hot markets where we're getting GameStop and all those other stocks, Express, AMC, all those craziness. This is what it looks like on those days. So you have to capitalize on days like today. You have to. We have to have high standards. We have to keep the pressure on ourselves. Because it's like this is it. This is it. And so, what I also mentioned was that for those of us who are still learning, still going through the learning curve, trying to get on the other side of profitability, there's no FOMO, because this will be here. The market will be here a year, 2, 3, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. And so understand that take your time. And once you do arrive, the ebb and the flow, the cycle of the market continues. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. It'll be here. So just take your time. But for those of us who've already arrived and have been profitable, this is it. This is where we want to push ourselves and just try to go crazy. Check out our Discord. I mean, if you guys want me to, look at all the P&Ls that's being posted today, right? 510 right there. And by the way, shout out to Lucas. Crispy ended up with 6K, right? Shout out to Lucas, who, is an MMU member, MMU student, who had his biggest green day today, up $700. Angling, $70. Save, 5K. This is insane, guys. Red Trader, green, $700. This is what we're talking about, man. This is what we're talking about. Green in both accounts. Cactus, 686 on the day. Just, absolute beautiful. Just lovely. I don't have the words. I'm so proud of this community. I'm so proud of this Discord, because this is ultimately what is going down. This is what's going down. We got some commissions here year to date. Red to green. I think red to green up about 2K, if I'm not mistaken. We can keep going up. It's absolutely insane. Jeff, really good day here. Jeff, really good day. A much bigger green day. Lovely, man. Absolutely lovely. We got some charts. Trade rum. 2K. Guys, come on now. Join the Relentless trading community. $700, Lucas. Man, let's go, man. Let's go. Let us go. let's keep ascending. Let's keep ascending. Let's keep going to the moon. Let's keep getting better. Let's keep improving. All right. And so between, look at this, 2:43 p.m. I'm up 5:47, and then I post again. I mean, it's crazy, man. Let's look at some of these. Let's look at some of these relentless trading comments, right? Where am I? I came back. Let's see. Was that it? That might have been it. I think I might have came back right there, and it's like let's get busy. So right here, I came back. So I came back much later than I thought. I came back around 2 p.m. Logged in again at 2:20, and I'm like, man, CAXI making me want to come back. And I make the joke here. Just came back. I was done at 11 a.m. Hold my beer. Hold my beer. Time to go to work. And, from 2:20, we got dialed in. And this is the beauty of trading. This is the beauty of trading, man. We dialed in, and by 3:15, 1 hour later, we're up 1.9K. Guys, talk the Relentless Trader nicely. Talk the Relentless Trader nicely. I mean, this is, I'm really grateful for this community. I'm really grateful for you guys who are here every day hanging out. I couldn't have asked for a better community. I do think this, is the best day trading community in the world. There's nowhere else where you can go and talk to profitable traders literally on a phone call and having them screen share what they're doing. People are paying hundreds of dollars for that. Hundreds of dollars. And here, Relentless Trader has it for free, and it will be that way for some time. So join us. In other news, we were red on Lucy 133, a bit of a spread. I think I caught myself doing a little too much there. Should have stopped myself sooner. Could have just been flat on the name. Green AUUD $30, green $30 OCEA, and green 150 GFAI. There is a trade I want to show you guys on GFAI. So here we go. Here's the position. We're going to flush down to 35.20. We're going to flush down right here, and I'm going to get long. Let's give it a sec. It's going to pop up. It's going to bounce and then flush back down. This is a beautiful dip trade. I'm long at 06. Great fill, 379 shares. Look at the ask price here. Buyers coming in. I should have been out right there. I should have been out right there above 80 on the ask. But I thought it was going to continue. So I held, and this ended up being a break-even trade. Up $1 a share essentially on the ask. Should have not had let it happen. But yeah, that was GFAI, so it was a little disappointing. And it came down right there and flushed down. But yeah, guys, that was the day. Hit that thumbs up button. I don't have recording of the afternoon. I came in, got locked in, and that was it. Forgot to record. But I will post this recording here, early morning recording for MMU. Of course, we have Marcelo's recording as well for the students. So yeah, guys, stay safe, stay green. It's been Relentless Trader. I am signing out.